Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Loving Keto, Ron's weight loss journey, and I'm Ron. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel? It helps other people know when I post the latest video like this one. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. So please do your homework first before you get started. Well, today marks the end of week 102 weight loss results, and I'm happy to say that even though I didn't have a weight loss for this week, I started the week off at 210 and I'm up to 212 this morning. But for the month, I ended up losing 6 pounds. I started the month off at 218 pounds last month and down to 212. So I would say I had a successful month. Not only that, daughter and I went down to Kohl's Saturday. I bought a couple of pairs of 36s on pants, and they were too big, and I had to bring them back, and I exchanged them for some 34s, and they fit me really great. So I'm going to bring them over to the dry cleaners today, and I'm going to go have them hemmed up so I can start wearing them. And I'm down to a medium shirt from a large, and feeling really great. And also today, being August 1st, it's also my birthday. I'm 66 years old today. Happy birthday to me. And so we actually celebrated it yesterday. We went down to Longhorns, and I got a baked potato, and I had a 8-ounce ribeye steak, and I had, the bread that they give you there, and I ended up getting a salad, and I got some sauteed onions with that, and it was really great. And Donna made me a birthday cake. I had some of that today and yesterday. And this coming week we're going to be right back on the weight loss journey. Probably about Thursday I'm thinking about starting up a 5 to 3 day egg fast, and then we'll see what happens after that and what we're going to do going forward. Probably go back to doing some keto meals and some carnivore meals and low carb weight loss meals. And you know how it's going. The hip is coming along really well. I go back and see Dr. Van Flanders on the 9th of August. I got no more hip pain at all whatsoever. It's unbelievable. I should have had that done a long time ago. I'm experiencing a little bit of arthritis in my knee area on my right side, on the right knee. I think I'm going to go back and have another cortisone shot put into that. And I've been using some of this arthritis cream. It seems to be helping. And yeah. And then we got another issue on the left side. We had a CAT scan done this past week, and I had a follow-up done Friday. It was determined that I have a small hernia on my left side, so we're going to have that corrected on the 16th of August, and hopefully after that, going forward, we'll be fine. Now, today's quote on my thumbnail, it talked about 2 years from where you were to where you are. Where you want to be from 2 years from now. I got that particular quote from Dwayne Rocky Johnson, and he puts up some marvelous motivational quotes. And the original quote was about 5-year journey, but my journey right now is 2 years, and I'll be coming up on my 3rd year anniversary in a couple of weeks. I started out my weight loss officially at 325, but in early 2020, I was 336 back in January of that year. We were floating around with different weight loss programs and finally decided on a ketogenic lifestyle. And as they say, the weight and the rest of it's history, because I'm down a significant amount of weight since then. I lost like a whole person. Feel really, really great. I got no more pain in my hip now, and it's really great. I did go to bingo Friday night. I volunteered to 6:30 and I played. I didn't win nothing, but that's just the way it goes. And so we'll be right back over there this Friday doing some more volunteering, and I probably won't play for another few more weeks or so. But yeah, it's coming along really, really good. I tried to film this a half a dozen times this morning. I wasn't happy with the video the first couple of times, and I kept getting interrupted with phone calls. People calling me up wishing me a happy birthday. And I have 3 sisters, and I heard from 2 of them so far. I know my other sister should call me up later today. And I want to thank everybody on my Facebook page and that's been wishing me a happy birthday, and it's been really great, and I'm having a good week. I'm having a good month, even though like I said, I didn't have any weight loss this week. I had a 2-pound weight gain. I feel great. I mean, for somebody who's been in a size 56 pants and all of a sudden I'm in a 34, I mean, I think that's terrific. And being in a size 4X to a medium in a 2-year time frame, and without weight loss surgery, at starting my weight loss journey at the age of 64, and I'm still continuing to this day doing weight loss. It's quite something. Now, I haven't reached my target weight yet, or I haven't yet been in Wonderland. I came close to Wonderland a few times. I was like at 203, 204, 205, and then weight seems to creep up a little bit here and there. But it's all about the journey. You know, it's not about the scale number. The journey is to get healthy and to have a productive life going forward. I enjoy walking. I enjoy talking to people. I love doing photography and video. And in order for me to continue to make that happen, I had to get healthy and get rid of some of this weight. I would say about 90% there with my health right now. And so when I'm walking, I can really notice the big difference. The other day I went walking with my wife, and it goes, oh my God, I can keep up with my friend Mary when I'm walking. I'm not in any more pain when I'm walking. I mean, all this time we thought it was my lower back area that was causing all my issue, and it turned out to be my right hip. And since I had the hip replacement, it's been incredible. And so we don't know about the left hip now. We're okay if we want it done, but I'm not going to have it done till next year if I decide to have it done at all. They want me to do stem cells on my left hip, and I don't think I'm going to bother with the stem cells. I might just wait the next year anyways and see how it goes, and see whether or not I even need to have it done, and see how long I can hold off without having it done. But my right hip was so bad, I could feel it. It was terrible. And you know, I couldn't even get up 20 feet to the bathroom from my back room over here. And I was in that much pain, and I was, dragging my leg along, and I had my cane all the time, and I'm not using a cane no more. I'm not using a walker no more. I have my friend's daughter's walker. I got to return that over to her. Gracious enough to let me borrow it for a little while, and it's been really fantastic. So this past week we made some Spam fries for the first time in the air fry. It came out really well, and we made some zucchini fries. I really like that. We tried to make some other stuff that came out really well that weren't non-keto food. We did the chicken nuggets from Tyson, and we also did, Purdue rather, and the Purdue chicken patties that I like from time to time, and that sort of thing. I don't know if I told you that, but for my birthday we ended up going down to Longhorns, which was today, Monday, August 1st, and we went yesterday for that, and Donna made me a nice birthday cake. I had that, and for my birthday Monday, we're gonna go down to. I'm gonna order a pizza and go down and pick it up for my birthday. And like I said, we're gonna be going right back on weight loss probably around Wednesday or Thursday, and we're gonna do a 3 to 5 day egg fast, and then we're gonna do ketovore and carnivore. And as far as the egg fast, if you're not sure what it is, I'll have a couple links below the video. But it's just basically eggs, butter, and cheese. Depending on your macros as to how much eggs you're allowed to have. I usually do typically about 6 to 8 eggs a day with 1 tablespoon of butter per egg and 1 tablespoon of 1 ounce of cheese per egg, and that's how I make my eggs. And it could be, if you're not gonna want that much butter, you can probably swap it out for like maybe a half avocado or something like that. But if you're doing the true egg fast, that's what the egg fast is. And then, of course, you gotta make sure you drink your water and everything. And I'll have some links below the video. I've been following our friend Steffi over there from the Incredible Shrinking Steffi, and the Shrinkables on our Facebook support group, and my Facebook support group, Ron's Weight Loss Journey Support. She's got a lot of videos on egg fasting and egg fasting rules and what to eat when you getting ready to come off of an egg fast, so you don't gain all your weight back from your egg fast loss. And the other reason why I've been so successful on my weight loss journey, besides every now and then breaking off of regular keto foods, is I fast between, I start eating around 11 in the morning, and I cut it off around 6 at night. And I've been very successful doing it that way. But over the last couple of months, I've gotten kind of sloppy on low carb keto, and I've been getting off here and there. But coming up on my 3rd year anniversary, there's going to be a big push now to get rid of the last 32 pounds now, since I'm 212 this morning. So there's going to be a big push to get that off in the air. So what I'll probably do as I start on another new year in the mid part of August, going into the first part of September, is going back to counting the carbs again and and that sort of thing, and try to keep the calories down to about 2,000 a day, and well, whatever my macros and all that call for. And I use a program every now and then called Carb Manager when I'm not sure and I want to know what I'm eating and stuff like that for weight loss. And they have a free and a paid version, and there's other free versions like MyFitnessPal and stuff like that. They're not that hard to use, they'll figure it out. But what I like about Carb Manager, like MyFitnessPal, you can scan in an item and it tells you exactly how many calories are in that particular item and stuff like that with the barcodes. And so that's how I was successful in the past. So I kind of think I need to go back to doing some of that probably on my start of my third year, and continue following through with my journey. But yeah, so we had a really good weight loss month, down to a size 34 and a medium size shirt and 34 for pant size. 212 pounds this morning. My goal has always been to try to get under 200 pounds of Wonderland, and you know, that'll happen. It'll just happen when it happens. But anyways, I don't have really too much more to say, except I'll try to post some more videos in the course of the week and when I'm eating for meals and stuff like that. And when I do my egg fast, I'll be filming out what I eat every day and how I fix my eggs up every day. So if you decide at some point you want to follow me along on another egg fast, you can just pretty much pick up my meal recipes and what to do when you're done a fast and what to eat so that you don't gain all your weight back for what you accomplished. And the whole idea behind doing an egg fast or a beef and butter fast, or any fast for that matter, is to try to get our bodies back into what's called ketosis, which is to burn your fat for fuel. And so that's what the goal is going to be for this coming week, going forward towards the end of the week. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. If you're new, like I said, don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, and have a great week, guys. And remember to stay healthy and stay vigilant, and just know better days are coming. Love you guys.